Look at the baby. Look at the baby. There it is. Sorry, it changed long I thought I crawled into Jay. What's today? Today the 20th?
Huh.
Today the 20th?
Yep. This is 6 months.
6 months today.
Mm-hmm.
Go practice. Go practice. You gonna practice too, Daddy?
What you've been doing. Nothing. Do you feel like you're stuck?
I don't feel like I'm stuck. I just
Go get Daddy.
done a lot of thinking.
What are you ready to tell these guys who are trying to change you?
I'm me. That they can't change me. You know, I'm fine. There's nothing bad about me. I'm a great person. And if they don't like it, they can kiss my ass. And we don't have to be that way.
When he decides that he's going to get it, he's going to get it.
Dun, dun, dun. All right. Here you see your good friend Casey, Joey.
I think you've been crawling all day.
I told you he was crawling earlier upstairs. I told you he was crawling. Zion's been trying to